I purchased two Craftmade Piccolo or whatever they are ceiling fans about a year or two ago. They were both white, and I knew one of them was missing the blades because I got it pretty cheap because of that. The other one I thought was complete. I intended to put both of those in the hallway, then I decided to get the brown ones instead for the hallway. So I put the white ones away until some other use case arrived. Recently a different use case arrived. They got the fans out. I had the set of blades I bought to replace the ones that were missing at the time. The blades are with the boxes. So I opened up one box and the blades is missing. I says no problem, here's the replacements. Put the fan up, great. And then I went to move on to the second one. I opened up the box, there's no blades. Ugh. So I went to order new ones. Can't find them. Cannot find white blades anywhere. They're out of stock on every single website I could find. The only available color remaining is this ugly silver color. This is all I could get. Silver. They still sell the fan in white. They still sell it in black. But you can only have silver replacement blades. I just don't understand what is with all this silver stuff. The world is turning monochromatic. Everything is silver now. When I first moved in, I needed a toaster oven, and it took me a long time to find a white one as opposed to a silver one. I just don't understand it. You know, I don't like white trim, I don't like white doors, I don't like white furniture, but at least I can understand it because the white is clean, it's fresh, it's bright. You know, I understand why people like it. This I don't understand. This is lifeless, it has no character, it has no color, it's bland, it's unappealing, it's cold, it's uninviting. I just don't get it. And yet, this is all we can get today, is silver. Silver this, silver that. You look at some of these new houses that are being built, and you look at the listing pictures, and you think that the pictures was taken on a black and white camera. It's ridiculous. So now, we have to paint these blades white so I can use them with this white fan. Well, these are coming out just absolutely horrible. I guess there must be some kind of coating on there that does not accept paint. So I'll let these dry and see if the second coat has the same effect. It probably will. So I don't know what I'm going to do now, but this is certainly not usable. I just put a second coat of paint on here and it looks awful. It's not covering those areas where the paint doesn't stick. I don't understand what's going on here. I've never seen this happen, and people paint fan blades all the time and this doesn't happen. So what gives? I guess I can try to sand it down and repaint. I'm not sure if these will hold up to sanding though, because this is not a piece of real wood. This is like a MDF kind of fiberboard material. I just attempted to sand it down, and as expected it doesn't sand properly. It kind of just tears and you end up with this deplorable finish. So this is a total loss. There's nothing I can do to fix this. So unfortunately this is a waste of almost $40 something for these blades, because these are now ruined. And as far as the install itself goes, the options are I can just take down one of the fans and only have the one, which is really disappointing because it would have looked really cool to have both. Or I can spend $172 before tax and before shipping to buy a new unit from a reputable retailer and open that box, take out the blades, and just throw out the rest, because nobody will ever be able to use it because you can't buy the blades. And that'll put me at probably close to $250 for a project done with materials I allegedly all had on hand. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't really afford to just throw out $250 like that right now, so I think this install is just going to be on hold until future notice. It's very disappointing, but there are certainly much bigger problems in the world than this.